digression, digression, digression.
It is a noun. It refers to a departure from the main subject or topic, often in a conversation or narrative. Here's a sample sentence. The professor's digression about the history of the university's library lasted for 20 minutes, much to the frustration of his students who were eager to move on to the next topic. In this example, digression refers to a brief but unrelated or tangential discussion that deviates from the main subject.
Dilapidated, dilapidated, dilapidated.
It is an adjective. It refers to something that is in a state of disrepair, worn out, or falling apart due to age or neglect. Here is a sample sentence. The old mansion had stood vacant for decades, its once grand facade now worn and dilapidated from years of neglect. In this example, dilapidated describes the state of the mansion's physical condition, implying that it has fallen into disrepair and is no longer in good shape.
Dilate, dilate, dilate.
It is a verb. It means to become or make something larger in size, extent, or degree. Here is a sample sentence. The doctor told me to put my eyes on the chart and look straight ahead. Then she would dilate them with special drops so she could examine my retina. In this sentence, dilate means to cause something, in this case, the pupils of the eyes, to become larger or wider.
Dilatory, dilatory, dilatory.
It is an adjective. It refers to delaying or tending to delay something, often intentionally. Here is a sample sentence for the word dilatory. The dilatory tactics employed by the opposing lawyer in court were frustrating to the judge, who repeatedly urged him to get on with the trial. In this example, dilatory means causing delay or procrastination, often intentionally.
Dilemma, dilemma, dilemma.
Here is a brief definition. It is a noun. It refers to a situation in which a difficult choice has to be made between two or more alternatives that are equally undesirable or unappealing. Here is a sample sentence. The couple faced a dilemma when they were offered two jobs in different cities and had to decide which one to accept. In this example, the dilemma refers to the difficult decision that the couple must make between two options, each with its own pros and cons.
Dilettant, dilettant, dilettant.
It is a noun. It refers to a person who has an interest in several arts or hobbies, but lacks expertise or serious dedication to any one of them. Here is a sample sentence. The wealthy socialite was accused of being a dilettante, as she had dabbled in various artistic pursuits but never demonstrated any real mastery or dedication to them. In this example, the word dilettante refers to someone who has a superficial interest in several different things, but lacks genuine expertise or commitment.
Diligence, diligence, diligence.
It is a noun. It refers to careful and persistent effort or attention in doing something. Here is a sample sentence. The researcher's diligence in collecting and analyzing data was evident in her thorough and well-supported conclusion. In this sentence, diligence refers to the quality of being careful, thorough, and persistent in one's efforts or work. It implies a strong commitment to doing something well and thoroughly.
Dilute, dilute, dilute.
It is a verb and an adjective. It refers to making or becoming less strong, concentrated, or intense, weakening something by adding more of another substance. Here is a sample sentence. The watered-down juice was too weak and needed to be diluted further with more fruit puree. In this example, diluted means made weaker or less concentrated by adding something else, in this case, more water.
Diminution, diminution, diminution.
Here's the definition. It is a noun. It refers to a reduction or decrease in size, amount, or intensity. Here's a sample sentence. The company's profits experienced a significant diminution over the past quarter due to increased competition and rising costs. In this example, diminution refers to a reduction or decrease in something, in this case, profits. It implies a decline or shrinkage from a previous state.
dire, dire, dire,
It is an adjective. It refers to extremely bad or serious, often threatening disaster or catastrophe. Here is a sample sentence. The dire forecast predicted a severe storm that would bring heavy rain and strong winds to the area. In this example, dire means extremely bad or serious, implying a sense of urgency and potential danger.